Hey everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are continuing on our world tour and we are in the country of Japan. Today we are going to be making Japanese teriyaki chicken. So I've got all my things together. Do you have yours? And like I always say, let's get cooking. Okay, first things we're going to do is we're going to mix up our teriyaki, which is our sauce. Okay, so we're going to mix this up real good. And I wanted to tell you about the chicken. The chicken that we're going to be using is chicken thighs with the skin on and no bones. And what you do is you take your boneless chicken thighs and you want them, here, let's move this over. You want them to be about that thick. And all you do is salt and pepper both sides. Take a fork and fork it. Just poke holes on the meat side, this side. And the reason we do that is so that it just lets it absorb the teriyaki just a little bit better. This isn't one of those chicken recipes that you marinate overnight. In fact, I found out from research, just reading, that the Japanese don't even marinate their teriyaki chicken. They go straight to the pan. Our frying pan is hot, and what we're going to do is we have about a tablespoon of sunflower oil in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take as much of that off. Because it is going to splatter. Make sure that you have a pan that has a lid. I should have mentioned that, but you do need a lid because you are going to be doing a little bit of a steam on your chicken, so you need to be able to cover it. So make sure that you've got a pan with a lid. Okay, so let's go ahead and give our chicken a turn. Exactly how you want it. You want it to have a bit of a char on the skin. Then what we're going to do is I have my sake here. We're going to go ahead and pour that over our chicken. We're going to put the lid on it and we're going to let it steam for 8 minutes. Okay, now we're going to turn it over. You'll notice the chicken is starting to get that nice caramely glaze. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour this. And immediately put the lid on. And we're going to let that steam for 8 minutes. We are going to take our chicken out, and we are going to grab the juices. I want to crisp up the chicken skin, and the best way to do it is right in this pan. All right, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of our broth, and we're gonna just let it cook and simmer. And you'll see it starts to get thick and caramely looking. And we're pretty much, our chicken is done. We have our plate of Japanese teriyaki chicken all ready. So, we're gonna give a little bite. Now, there are so many things that you can do with teriyaki as far as making teriyaki. You can make this marinade and cook fish, which would probably be absolutely incredible, which I will be doing shortly with teriyaki because the sauce is amazing. So there you go. We have one more meal to do, which is our big, grand, yummy tempura we're going to be doing as our final meal for Japan. But I do thank you for coming today and visiting with us here on the Happiest Cook. And I've been watching our YouTube channel. I watch it daily, and I see those little subscribe buttons just tick, 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 adding up. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time here on the Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.